Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression visitors get of your home, and it plays a critical role in the security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic of your house. Over time, doors can start to show signs of wear and tear. If you're in Dallas, where the weather can be extreme, your door might have faced a lot of damage due to the Texas heat, humidity, and occasional storms. But how do you know when it's time to replace your old door? Here are the key signs to watch for. Visible wear and tear. One of the most obvious signs that it's time for a new door is if your current one shows significant wear and tear. Cracked wood, chipped paint, warped frames, or damaged panels all indicate that your door is no longer in its prime. While a coat of paint might temporarily improve the appearance, it's not a permanent solution. The structural integrity of the door can be compromised, which might lead to more serious issues down the road. Difficulty opening and closing. Have you noticed that your door is harder to open or close than it used to be? This can be a sign of swelling or warping due to temperature fluctuations in Dallas, where the summer heat can cause doors to expand and contract. Over time, this can lead to misalignment, making it increasingly difficult to operate the door. If your door sticks, squeaks, or requires excessive force to open or close, it may be time for a replacement. Drafts and energy loss. An old door can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency. If you feel drafts around your door or notice a significant rise in your heating and cooling bills, it may be because your door is no longer sealed properly. Over time, weather stripping or seals wear out, leaving gaps that allow air to leak in and out of your home. This not only makes your home less comfortable but also increases energy consumption, leading to higher utility bills. Replacing your door with an energy-efficient model can help improve insulation and reduce energy costs. Excessive noise from outside. If your door is thin or damaged, you might hear more outside noise than you used to. Whether it's traffic, neighborhood kids playing, or the sound of storms, your old door might not be providing the level of sound insulation it once did. A new, more insulated door can help block out external noise, providing a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Plus, soundproofing is an added benefit for homes in busy Dallas neighborhoods. Security concerns. Your door is your first line of defense against intruders, and an old door may not offer the level of protection you need. If your door frame is damaged or the lock mechanism is outdated, you could be compromising the security of your home. In Dallas, where property crimes are a concern in some neighborhoods, a sturdy, modern door with advanced security features is essential for peace of mind. Consider replacing old doors with ones that feature modern locks, deadbolts, and materials that provide superior protection. Pest or water damage. If you've noticed signs of water damage, such as peeling paint, mold, or mildew around your door, it's a red flag. Older doors, especially wooden ones, are susceptible to water damage, which can cause the door to swell, warp, and deteriorate over time. Additionally, pests like termites, ants, or rodents may be attracted to decaying wood. If you're experiencing these issues, it's crucial to replace your door to prevent further damage and keep your home safe from pests. Outdated appearance. If your door no longer fits the style or aesthetic of your home, it may be time for an upgrade. Doors, like other elements of home design, can go out of style. A new door can instantly enhance your home's curb appeal, whether you're looking to modernize your entryway or add a more classic or elegant look. Replacing your door can improve your home's exterior and boost its value, especially if you're planning to sell in the near future. Conclusion. Replacing your old door can bring significant benefits to your Dallas home, from improved energy efficiency and security to a fresh, updated look. If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned above, it's time to start considering a replacement. A well-chosen door can increase your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal, making it an investment worth considering. Reach out to a trusted door installation professional in Dallas to help guide you through the process and select the best door for your needs.